Hello and welcome to this video tutorial from Computergaga.com, where we will look at how you can insert the degree symbol into Microsoft Word. I was asked in a recent class I was given how this could be done, and I thought it a good idea to get this video up and send it out there for you guys to share the approach that we can take. So, there are a couple of different ways of doing this, or even more than a couple to be fair, but two quick, easy ways of getting this degree symbol in. First of all, let's just put my insertion point there. We can go for the Insert tab and to the symbol button on the far right of the Insert tab. Now this list that comes down here that I've got, these are symbols you have recently used. So the symbols you have may well be different to this. There may even be the degree symbol in there. I don't think it's in there by default, I don't think. But it may be in there depending what laptop, what computer or whatever you may be using. It may not necessarily be your own. So it may be in here. However, it is not for me. So I'm going to go for more symbols. And I need to navigate to the degree symbol. Now at the top here, my font is currently Wingdings. I'm going to look at changing that, and I'm going to change it to normal text. So you can see the library, the kind of selection of symbols changes. I'm then going to scroll down, looking for the degree symbol, and there it is. If I select it here, I can see at the bottom it tells me that is the degree sign. It also goes on to say that it's got a character code of 176. Now I'm going to use that in a moment. If you're not familiar with these, this is a code that we can type in as a kind of shortcut code, if you will, to get this symbol in there so I don't have to keep going insert symbol. So I'm going to put in this degree sign, I'll click insert and then close down that box. Notice just before I close it down it's been added to the recently used symbols. So now I've got my degree sign there, but also next time I go to the symbol button, the degree sign is there. So it's now in my recent list along with the euro sign, the happy, unhappy faces, the pound sign, and so on and so forth. So it will appear in your recent list if you do tend to use a degree sign a lot. So it's relatively quick on its own. Insert symbol degree sign. However, let me just remove that degree sign for a moment. Now another way we can do this is to use that 176 or that 0176 that was mentioned as I selected it. You can hold down the Alt key on your keyboard and use the number keys, probably on the right hand side of your keyboard, Alt 0176, and as I type that in, the degree sign appears. So that is a little shortcut key. If you use this stuff a lot, I've come across a lot of people in the past who go as far as remembering these character codes when they have to use French accented characters and other things that they tend to type a lot. And if that is for you, 0176, hold down Alt 0176 and it is in there. You may need to turn on your lumlock key first. So that is possibly the second most popular way of getting these symbols in our case, a degree symbol. Hope you find this tutorial useful. Please check out some of our other tips and tricks at Computergaga.com.